So once again, we can use used to talk about a habit in the past. Also, we can mix this with one of the usages of the present continuous tense to talk about change. पास्ट में ये क्या करते थे, अब ये कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है ना. एक है हैबिट और एक है चेंज. तो हैबिट और चेंज को मिलाकर एक सिचुएशन बनाना है. So can you tell me one of the changes that you have made in your life?
Okay, sir. I used to spend my so much time with my mobile and other things, but I realized that thing this is not good for me. That's why I am not use my I am not using my mobile so much, but instead of that I saving my time.
Saving. Very good. Can you transfer the mic? Yes, the same question. Can you tell me one change?
So I used to always sleeping.
I used to sleep, huh? I used to sleep.
So I realize it's not good for my health. So nowadays I wake up.
I am waking up.
So nowadays I waking up early.
Very good. I am waking up. When we talk about a change, we have to use present continuous ing. I used to sleep a lot, but nowadays I am not sleeping that much. Can you transfer the mic? Very good.
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me one change?
Sure, sir.
Yes, no problem. You can take your time.
Early, I used to waste a lot of time in evening, but currently I am utilizing my time.
Very good. Can you transfer the mic? Yes, one habit, one change.
Earlier, I used to. Sorry. Earlier, I used to eat lots of junk food. Its effect badly for my health.
It affected my health.
It's affected my health. But nowadays, I avoiding junk foods.
I'm
avoiding junk foods.
You have to use present continuous. I'm avoiding junk food. Very good. Can you transfer the mic? Yes. Kindly tell me one change.
Yes, sir. I used to spend a lot of time with myself, but nowadays I am learning new things.
Very good. Krishna, I would like to know one of the changes in your life.
Well, I used to not share anything, but nowadays I like to share something.
I'm sharing.
I'm sharing something with others.
Very good. Can you transfer the mic? Yes, Garima, we would like to listen to your words and one change.
Okay. Earlier, I used to focus the judgmental stuffs from some people, but now I am focusing my goal.
Focusing on my goal.
On my goal.
Very good. Yes. Harimsha, can you talk about one change?
Yes, I used to not cooking in my home, but
Cook at home,
nowadays I cooking in my.
I'm cooking.
I'm
Very
cooking
good.
in my-
Yes.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity.
You're
So
welcome.
I used to phone while my studying earlier, but nowadays I avoid phone.
I am avoiding.
I am avoiding phone while studying.
Very good. This was really interesting. So, what did you understand? We have to use used to plus V1. Used to plus V1. And secondly, we have to use present continuous. ठीक है ना?